Hey guys, Joshua Zamora here with a quick demo video of my brand new Done4You Suite platform. Now, Done4You Suite will allow you to get free targeted buyer traffic in 48 hours or less by leveraging the power of high quality social syndication with this brand new Done4You system, okay? So yes, you can now leverage the power of page one rankings via social syndication with no software to install, no software training to learn, no previous SEO knowledge or experience, no social account creation needed, no content needed besides your URL, no proxies or captchas needed, none of that stuff, okay? We've simplified the entire social syndication process so that anyone can tap into the power of page one rankings, even if you suck at SEO or are brand new to the subject. And the best part is that you'll be able to use Done4You Suite to rank your videos on page one, to do some quick launch jacking for some quick commissions, to rank your niche sites, rank your e-commerce sites, rank your Amazon listings, rank your client sites, rank your clients' videos, since we're going to be including our agency license on the front end so that you can use Done4You Suite for your clients. Pretty much you'll be able to use Done4You Suite to rank any URL you'd like to get traffic for, okay? Now, if you know anything about SEO, you know that there's pretty much 3 steps to the process: keyword research, optimization, and syndication and backlinking. Okay, for the most part, syndication and backlinking is always the toughest, the hardest, and the most time-consuming of all 3 steps. Okay, it's the one thing that usually stops people from achieving the results that they're looking for, which is page one rankings, because of the process that it takes. Okay, for the most part, you have to purchase a software that allows you to do the syndication. You have to go through all the tutorial videos and learn how to use it. You have to actually provide content and write content for each campaign that you submit. You have to create social accounts, and usually it's about 25, 30, or 40, or even 50 accounts that you have to create to be able to start using the software. You have to pay for captchas, and you have to pay for proxies to be able to get a good success ratio. With Done4You Suite, you don't have to do any of that, okay? So let me quickly show you how simple this is, okay? All you literally have to do is come in here, hit create campaign. Once you're on the campaign creation screen, all you literally have to do is fill out these 3 options here at the top, set your settings here at the bottom, and you're good to go. It's literally that simple to start getting high quality social syndication to your content without you having to do anything else but fill out this information here. So I'm going to go ahead and do demo video. I'm going to go ahead and input a URL here that I have already copied, and you can enter multiple URLs here. This is very powerful because there are multiple YouTube URLs that you can use for one video, and many times you can switch those around to get better results. So you can build links to both the HTTPS version and the non-HTTP version. You can build links to the shortened version as well. But that's just a topic for another day. So I'm just going to leave those 2 videos there for now. The keywords, I'm just going to put demo 1, demo 2, and demo 3. And so you'll be able to put as many keywords as you want so that you can get traffic for as many keywords as you want, since we all know that one video can rank for multiple keywords, and same goes with niche sites. You can always rank one piece of content for multiple different keywords. So here we also have the option for you to allow us to run the content for you. So this is what I meant when I said that you don't need any content at all, since we'll provide the content for you. However, if you're dealing with a client that prefers to actually provide the content, I know that attorneys usually like to do that, chiropractors, medical professionals, people that like to protect the content that's being posted about them, they usually like to have control of that. So if you're dealing with a client like that, you can just turn this off and provide us with the content that you'd like for us to use. If not, just turn it on and we'll provide the content for your campaigns. Here you'll also be able to select the amount of links that we built to your videos or niche sites, okay? You can do 25, 50, or up to 100 with your pro account. And if you upgrade, then you'll be able to do up to 300, okay? Now, you also get the ability to drip feed up to 21 days, okay? So depending if you're using a niche site, if you're submitting a niche site and it's a brand new site, you may want to, spread out the drip feed a little longer. Here we have the option for you to index the links that we built for you even more. So if you want to provide that, if you want us to do that for the links that we built for you, all you have to do is turn this on. Now this is an upgrade feature which unlocks our indexer. And to turn it on, all you have to do is just flip this switch here, and we'll perform additional indexing to the links that we build on each of the campaigns that you want this done for. Okay. Now, once you fill everything else, all of this out, you click create, and that is it. From there, we will start performing high quality social syndication and wiki syndication to your content. And once it's completed, you'll be able to download in 2 different formats so that you can either provide it as a report to your client if you are dealing with clients, or so you can do some additional indexing yourself or whatever it may be. But here you see it's posting. Once it's done posting, it'll say completed and you're good to go. It is that simple to come in here and use Done For You Suite for your content to start getting page 1 rankings without you having to do any of the work yourself. We have completely simplified the process of getting high quality social syndication without having to learn any complicated software or having to pretty much do anything, okay, but do what I just showed you. So thank you guys for watching. Click on the link below to pick this up at the grand opening special that we have right now.